how to fix TikTok not loading or working. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. Now, if your TikTok is not working, then you have to go and first check go on the Google app, and then you have to search over here, is TikTok down? As you click on is TikTok down, now you have to click on the first link, and you will be able to see that the TikTok is down or not. If the TikTok is not down, you can see that there are no that much of the people are saying that TikTok is down, so no one is reporting a problem over here. So this means that TikTok is not down. If the TikTok is not down, then you have to go down on your mobile option, and then you have to go on the TikTok and long press it. You can also do it on Google, on iOS, and on Android. Then you have to go on this plus information icon and click on that. As you go on the information icon, then you have to go down on the storage option, and then you have to clear the cache and clear data for your Instagram. As you clear data, then it will be swiftly working again. If this doesn't resolve the problem, then you have to re-download the app again. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.